Yo, what's good, Smoothie Gang? Hope all is well. If you've been following, my material, you know that, I did the Herbalife Challenge. So far, I've completed 2 sessions, and I decided that I'm going to do a third session. I'm really trying to be the best version of myself physically, spiritually, as well as mentally. And part of the process of doing that is working out and eating right, because what you eat really does affect how you think and feel. So I decided to, try to do a better meal prep this go around. So I went to Aldi's, purchased a couple things. First up, I got the pink salmon wild caught, for a reasonable price. And I'm going to stretch this out for the first week. And salmon's known for having omega-3 fatty acids, which helps you, throughout the body, including your brain. And I know it's not really the best choice like that, but I'm gonna roll with it anyway because I'm on a budget. I gotta do the best I can. I purchased some tilapia. This is gonna be for week 2. The issue with tilapia is that certain companies, farm the fish what am I trying to say? The way they maintenance the fish isn't all that healthy. But I think on this bag it's wild caught. There's no preservatives and all that. So yeah, I got the wild caught tilapia. And to go with the fish, when I'm meal prepping, I decided to get some squash. Gotta do some research on this, on the benefits, but squash I know is good. And I also got some honey barbecue beans from Aldi's, and I made sure that there's no pork. I stay away from red meat. The only thing I really eat is meat-wise would be chicken and fish. I'm slowly withdrawing and cutting down my meat intake. I also got the brown sugar, when I'm making my tea. It's a lot more healthier than the white sugar. And what else I got to show y'all? So when I'm meal prepping, I got some Tupperware. You can get this at the dollar store at a good rate. And I got some Tupperware to kind of, organize the meals throughout the week. And I also got some, trail mix, like some protein bars from Aldi's as well. It's just something to snack on in between meals. And that's about it. If you have any questions, on the Herbalife Challenge, if you want to join the journey along with me, you can contact my health coach, Fit. I'll have her information in the description. I'll provide it on Instagram where you can contact her. And if you took the time and watched the entire video, I really give you a salute. I want to once again give thanks to everybody that's been supporting me along my journey. As you know, I'm a new YouTuber, so this is all new to me. If you're watching this on my YouTube, please, send a like for me, subscribe and share. Your health is your wealth. We're going through a pandemic, and the whole idea is to watch what you eat to build your immunity. All right, y'all, stay blessed and peace.